As you see, my daughter's been decorating for Halloween already. And look what a great job she did with all those yard sale finds. And of course, she threw in some Mackenzie Childs pieces. And look at that skeleton in the corner. Looks pretty terrifying to me.
Doesn't it look like it's sitting on a glass full of brains or something?
I was thinking blood, but if you tell me that's brains.
I don't know.
It's
it
red.
It just looked kind of spooky looking. I was like, oh, that's perfect. It's a candle that melted, and I was like, got left outside.
Yeah, to me it looks like the blood's just gelled in there and doing great.
Yeah. And those, and the teapot, the flowers in there, they're not arranged. I just shoved them in there, so they need to be better arranged.
But they look pretty, guys, don't they?
And they were from the Dollar Tree.
Our favorite store to shop at. Now, these little pumpkins, the white ones, are they from the yard sale, or do you already have them?
The pumpkins with the indentations on them, those were that yard sale find.
Okay. They look really nice. And the candlestick was from it, too. Mm-hmm. And the magic words, that was from...
that was my stash.
That was her stash. And let's go down to... this picture, if you didn't catch it in the beginning, that was from the yard sale, too.
My excellent yard sale.
Yeah, $7 for...
Well, it was $6 for all the Halloween stuff and $1 for
Christmas
item.
But still, it would have cost a lot of money.
Oh, I put the battery in the ghost.
Oh, you gonna show us it works now?
Yeah, but I don't want to go in front of your camera.
Well, I can't. You want me to stop it? Is that what you want me to do?
Yep.
Oh, wasn't that cute, guys? She was so nice to put that in there. I really liked it. That was a cute little song. And it was cute that the pumpkin's eyes were surprised they lit up. Did you know they were going to light up?
I don't remember. I didn't remember.
And then we're seeing all the beautiful things. This here was a candle, too. Oops, that's a candle. And this is from Mackenzie Childs at Herb Pot. And these little candles were from the yard sale, or did you buy them?
No, I bought those.
See, I already forgot. We just did all this. And here we have some more Halloween stuff with a ghost. And those, did you get candles in them yet?
No.
Okay, well, we'll do a final reveal when she gets the whole house decorated. She's just starting now, guys.
I just kind of put stuff in different places. I don't know if you noticed the little book there, the witch's book.
Nope.
Did you see that?
What does it say on it? I can't even.
It's for spells.
Oh, it's a spell book, huh?
Uh-huh.
Is there really something inside the book?
It's spells, Mom.
Okay.
And you see the witch's inn. The sign says witch's inn, and you can see that the witch's shoes are there. So
yeah.
When the witch is out, the shoes will be gone.
Okay. Like I said, I think I'll come when the witch is out next time. You know, Grandma gets scared easy. And then this one here, the one Grandma couldn't figure out because she wasn't very bright, which is parking, and all other will be towed. Ha ha ha. These are display niches in her dining room that are eventually going to be made into cabinets by her husband.
The bottom part is going to be a cabinet.
The bottom part is going to be a cabinet. But he's still working on it. And we'll be able to come over and keep bugging him about it. And as you see, there's a light overhead of the niche, or whatever we call it. Okay, you want to talk about this now, my sweetie?
Okay, so the pumpkin I got at the yard sale. If you notice, I added some greenery around the bottom, 2 pumpkins. Carlos said it looks like a skirt, but I said I don't care, so I just left it that way. And then the welcome to my pretties, the little hanging thing, and the happy Halloween.
Isn't it cute?
The black trees from my spectacular yard sale of $6. And lotion bottle, mine I already had. And the runner I had, and if you could see, it had to be doubled up because it's actually for a table, and that niche is too short. So I was gonna cut it, and then I decided no, I don't want to mess it up, so I just left it that way.
I think it was a good decision. I think it could be used. We can do several tablescapes here and use it on the tablescapes.
Yeah.
It looks like she's walking right on top of the Halloween now, doesn't it?
Happy Halloween, yeah.
Happy Halloween time.
And then I had that candle stick, so I just stuck the tree on top. Oh! Oh, she's haunted.
Haunted.
She didn't like that you said that she was stepping on the Happy Halloween. She goes, "What's so happy about it?" That scared me.
Oh well, she likes to scare us. And where'd you get the little bats from? Those are super cute.
I got them online. It was part of a little kit. It came with some mantle. It's a mantle cover. It's like 5 pieces, and so it's got 4 different pieces of fabric, and then the bats. And you can, make the bats look like they're 3D and they're flying. So I thought that was pretty cool.
I think it's very cute.
And then the black tree I got from the yard sale. I'm still trying to figure out what to put on it. I think I'm gonna go and buy something small because the limbs can't hold a lot of weight. So maybe some, something small that I can put on there.
Dollar Tree's a great place to go for small.
Yeah, so I'm hoping I can find something spooky or something. Carlos said hang some skeletons from it. I don't know, but it's too black over there. I gotta put something with it.
They have skeletons at Dollar Tree.
Okay. And then there's the little witch's hat in purple. I don't know if you can see it. It's
Well, we're gonna move.
black.
I know, but we're getting in closer where you can see that it is purple. Doesn't it cute? And has little webs on, spider webs all over it. Very
And I
nice.
used that one year because I didn't want to dress up, so I'm like, oh well, I'll put a hat on. That'll be my dress up.
That'll be her costume. And then we have these really, really cute pumpkins that she got. Pillow. Well, there's cloth pumpkins in there along with the pillow. I wonder if that other pumpkin that we got from Mackenzie Childs would look good in there too.
Possibly, yeah.
Because it's cloth.
Mm-hmm. And then I have my little bucket.
And doesn't that look good for farmhouse guys? Grandma doesn't do farmhouse as a rule, but maybe with enough of my daughter's things, maybe we can do a Halloween farmhouse. Because we did do those, no, I don't want to tell you what we did, because I wouldn't be right. Because I don't know when these videos are going up. Never mind. I had to keep my mouth shut.
And the last thing on my shop of the yard sale was the welcome to our web. So
Super cute.
I
And
could have got so many more cute things, and I just lost out on it. But I have to be thankful for the items that I did get for $6. The lady was
I
very
told her
nice.
she should have just said, "Give me a price, I'll buy it all. I'll be right back with the money," because she was taking her normal morning walk when she found it. She thought I was being selfish. I said, "Well, that's why I am. 3 pieces for $1? I could get very selfish. You can always resell it."
Yeah, and it didn't matter what the size of the item was. It was 3 items for $1. And like the plates that I got, it was 4 plates equaled 1 item. So I was like, wow, okay.
Sound like a great plan to me.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys for stopping by for this little reveal of my daughter's home for Halloween. We'll be doing a few more of them, so be ready, my awesome friends. Hugs and kisses until the next video, and we're going to see what other beautiful things she has in her home. Isn't this beautiful? I loved it. Those bats just make me so happy. I think this is my favorite little niche right here. What do you think? I think it's super cute. I love it. And I'm sorry we mentioned you were stepping on the Happy Halloween. Please don't scare us again. Bye-bye now. Until next video. There will be another one coming up pretty soon, guys.